everyone, welcome on Frog Tech Tips. Today I've got a special review and unboxing for you for Android box from Homatics. He sent to me to make a review for you and hopefully you will like it. Let's go do it. Homatics, send me one. Here we go. We have one. Let's go open it. Inside the box is this lovely package inside. Manuals and box. Let's go open it. We got a lovely pen. Thanks and thumbs up for everyone. If you not click the thumbs up, just do it now and also click subscribe. Let's go open it. These small boxes. Here you go. As you can see, we got that manual. It's not a manual, it's some information from the manufacturer, Homatics, all models he actually offer on his web, and it's also making the speaker, not just only box, and the 4K plus and 4K. Their main difference is a 4 GB RAMs and 1 gigabit Ethernet over this one, and is also for the HDR10 and Dolby Atmos Vision and DTS, that plus version yes. This one no, but what I think it's actually minimum the DTS support. Even this one, that should be, even the processor should support this. That's why not. Okay, let's go have a look on the box. We got a box here, lovely picture on the top, and we got this side. We got a system spec is Android TV 11 certificate from the Google. Support AV1 and Dolby Audio. You see, it's right here. That means I don't know why it's right over there. It doesn't support Dolby Audio, but probably Dolby Audio is not the same that DTS, whatever. But it actually should be working. And what is included in the box is actually box itself, remote control, power adapter, HDMI cable, quick wide, and a AAA battery. And as you can see on the back side, you can use the voice remote control. That's also included on this one. Chromecast is built in. That's also mean the Android is certificate from the Google, and you can set your TV as a home theater even with his speaker. If you buy it, if you got oven system like me, DTS speaker system, that should be working as well. But that's change. This box actually change your TV to smart TV. Trust me, it's absolutely unbelievable. And also we got a Google Play, YouTube, Netflix, Disney Plus, Prime Plus, YouTube Music, HBO Max, and Spotify. Probably pre-install it on this box. That means we can go and have a look on the box inside. Okay, we have some manuals. We already spoke about these manuals. That is what is inside. We don't need a proper look. You can just quickly have a look. Probably everyone knows how to connect the box, manual, and box itself. Okay, let's go open it. And as you can see, this is one of the best and fastest multimedia TV box on the market. Support 4K and have an official Android 11 automatic update software, and support. All of this is working on AMI Logic S905X4 for better speed, and it's got a, like I said, 2 GB RAMs and 32 gigs AMC flash for your games and app. Okay, and if you could have a look on the side, we start from this one. Is an AC adapter, 100 gigabits Ethernet ports, HDMI AV port. For some reason still doing this analog AV port over here, probably for making a really old TV the smart TV, why not? Okay, optical input and USB-C port. This USB-C port should be just only for actually charge your other device. Doesn't working as a standard USB port as these two, where we got a USB 3, USB 2 and memory card for your, if you need a more than 32 gigs, just plug in the memory cards and use more storage, and some LED flash standby diode over here, and that's it. And from the top you got a 4 number of steps, and this send me a beacon which is imported for Homatics to my country. Let's go check what is underneath. HDMI cable, remote control, adapter, AC adapter, 12 volts, 1.5 amps, 18 watts, sorry. Okay, and battery. Okay, we have it. Okay, let's go have a look on the remote control. Just open it now. Okay, we have a battery included box. Put it inside. We have battery inside. Close it and check. Okay. This remote control is really nice, white color, I like it. Yeah, that's a really nice white color. And also it's a really build quality. It doesn't make any squeeze, or yeah, it looks brilliant. And it's got a couple of buttons: volume button, channel buttons, home buttons, back buttons, settings buttons, Google Voice Assistant button. But it's also got a one special button, which is this rocket sign button over here. And that button, actually you can program whatever app you want. That means if you want to put this one, like example Kodi app, yeah, you can click the Kodi, or I don't know, Disney Channel or whatever. Because we got a YouTube, Netflix and Prime Video, and this one can be what you want. Okay, let's go do it. Just plug in this lovely box with the HDMI cable and AC adapter, and to have a go and have a look how it looks the system and how quick is it. Everything prepared. Now we're gonna test it, how quick is first start up and setup. There is no any power button as I showed you before, and I am using on my LCD with my adapter over here, just that. Plug in on the power socket and to see how quick will be start up. Let's go do it now. Right up. As you can see, we get a first setup. We need a long press back button and home button together to pair the remote control. Do it now. Connecting. Success. Okay, our remote control is paired now. We got so many languages here, and it's the first setup as we are select the English, and let's go do it. We'll skip this Wi-Fi, which is my main frog killer. Here we go, connect it. We already set up the password and just click connect. Connect successful. Now we can sign in to my Google account. Set up the password. Okay, we set up. I'm going to log in my Google account, my email, password, and just log in. We just log into my Google account, and now we got to accept the terms and conditions. Turn off. and all of that just accept. Usually I just switch off this location and help improve and just click accept and go to the next step. We got the Google Assistant, continue. Okay, this one I will set up later probably, or if maybe even set up. Now we can choose the box name, and box name is actually box R4K. Why choose the different one? And now we can set up which app we can install straight, and to have it, choose the app you want to install and just continue and wait. Okay, that's I don't need. Okay, this is a standard Android 11 TV. How it looks like. There is nothing special, it looks like any other box, and main point is quick. Correspond is quick. Go and have a look at the settings, we can see and quickly just have a look what is there. We got the about, which is actually there is system update, which is it's up to date already. Okay, that's cool. Box name, status for the networks and stuff like that. How long is the uptime? Hailstorm version, I'm not sure what's that. I really don't know. If you know, just write me on the comment. Information, open source license, web source and ads. Model, Android TV OS version is 11. Kernel version, Android, Netflix and Box RK software version is 11.8. We also got a date, time, language, keyboard, app key definition. That's what I tell you before. We can set up this app for whatever app we want. I actually set up for my Skylink now. Maybe later I will change it. We'll see. We got a display and sound. We got the HDR setting. This monitor doesn't support HDR. I cannot switch on. But if you got the monitor with HDR, yeah, you can switch on. And also we got the screen resolution like before. My monitor is 1080p, 60 Hz. As you can see, it's working on the max. If you connect this box to 4K television, you will have more options. And also color space settings, we got RGB and YCB CR 444 8-bit as well. Not sure which one is a better one, but use which one you more like it. And also got a Dolby Vision graphic priority, but is gray out. That means my monitor doesn't support it. But box probably yes. We got a screen position, HDMI 6, sound settings, and advanced sounds. We got a AC4 enhancer, and that's what you can set up for off, low, medium, and high. And we got also the select format, David's reported format, or never the sound system. We got a storage is a 28 gigs free for you and for your apps. We can customize your home screen, and also got a Google Assistant, Chromecast built-in, screensaver, energy saver, location, usage, and that's it. There is nothing really special. It's just Android box. It's like any other box working as should be, as a medium receiver, as a medium for playing the movie and make it from your any TV, smart TV. You see, this is a good example. This is my really old monitor I show you, and actually it's working on that, and it's changed for the smart one. So quickly how it's working. Response time is really quick. As you can see, it's working absolutely nice. We go and open the app, YouTube app, and it's open as Flash. Yeah, it's really nice. I will show you just some nice video regarding the something. I don't want to broken the YouTube low. That means I just put this Costa Rica as usual, and you can see how quick it's actually play the video. It's absolutely nice, quick, and the forward and backward working quick as well. Yeah, the picture is very nice. We can actually check the quality as well. We can check that the report. That statistic, as you can see, it's working. Resolution, it's 4K and watching on the full HD. And as you can see, there is no network problem, activity buffer, and it's working very, very nice. And we also can check the different video, like how quick actually swap the video. Go and check the Linux Tech Tips video. Why not? I like Linux Tech Tips. Okay, as you can see, it's working, and also is working so nice and quick. And I do all from my Wi-Fi connection. That means really nice Wi-Fi connection on this one. It support 2G and 5G as well, and looks like it's working with no problem at all on Wi-Fi. Yeah, that's how it's working. YouTube. Hopefully you like it. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. And also I can show you how it's working my TV app, which is a Skylink. Working also not bad, and also is so fast, I think. And what I like it on this one is actually, if you click on the TV, there is a channel button over here. That means you can just quickly swap the channel, just push the button, and all channel is going quickly as possible. Yeah, it's absolutely nice response time. This box is really nice and quick. I think you will like it. I also recommend you this box. And if you got a better TV like 4K TV, OLED TV, or I don't know what kind of spec TV, massive, big, expensive TV, and you need the box, buy the Plus version, not this one. This one is good for standard TV, or even the make a smart TV and stuff like that. That's absolutely brilliant and nice. Hopefully you like it. Don't forget to click like and subscribe, and check one more thing. Check the game. Okay, before play the game or test the game, I plug in my gamepad for this, and it's working absolutely. It's not a problem at all. Quick response time and everything looks fine. Now we just need to wait till game is installed, and we can after that try to play this game. We still need to wait about. We can just test this race now over there. Play the minigame now. Here we go. We got a minigame. And looks like everything is working. As you can see, the respawn time is really nice. When I push it, we're going left, right. Yeah, the game actually running really nice. It's not bad for the box, which cost less than €100. Not bad for this box like this, and even the graphics looks nice. As you can see, the box working very well. The pair with the Amilogic S905X4 and Mali G31 graphic cards is absolutely really nice combo for the streaming box. Yeah, I like this box. I recommend this box, and if you want to buy this box, go to homatics.com or any Homatics website. You can buy it on your country. Some links on the description. And if you want something more information, let me know. Otherwise, click like, subscribe, stay tuned on my channel, and see you later, alligator.